Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do my weekly setup in my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy. This cover is from MLG & Co. I do have a discount code for MLG & Co, which I will leave in the description box below. This is the matte pink ollie clip, the small version. These are the washies that I pull. This Ankh washi is from Cookie Sticker Co. I thought I had more colors with this symbol, but I don't. So I'm not sure I'm going to be able to use it, but I want to. And then I have these Stardust washies from Simply Gilded. I will leave a special link in the description box below if you would like to order from Simply Gilded. And I am doing the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge this week, which is Dog Days of Summer. When I created that prompt, I was thinking of Dog Day Afternoon, kind of, and I did some research later into what Dog Days of Summer actually means. I'm not sure about the dates, if the dates are the same from year to year, but I did read that the Dog Days of Summer are 40 days starting with July 3rd, ending August 11th. Now again, I'm not sure if those particular dates are specific to 2021 or if those are the dates in general. In short, I mean, there's lots of long explanations about it, but the Dog Days of Summer have to do with the brightest star, Sirius, also called the dog star, and it has to do with, well, Romans had their beliefs, Egyptians had their beliefs, so I decided to go with more of an Egyptian theme, and I also included the constellation of the dog star. And yeah, and I did try to incorporate the Nile River in here. It's kind of, it doesn't stand out a lot, but it's there. So I did what I could with the theme. There is a lot of information online about it, so it is worth checking out, just so you know for yourself. But this digital is available to patrons, plus, and elite. I also did some other graphics that you can print on vellum. I had some printing issues this morning, so it is what it is. But yeah, I printed, this is Canis Major, my illustration of it. And then here we have Canis Major in the background with the Nile River on the side and one of the dolls that I found. So all of the graphics, except for the star constellation and the stars, are from Pixabay. This one has a little quote or saying in reference to the Dog Days of Summer. It says, "Dog days bright and clear indicate a happy year, but when accompanied by rain, for better times hopes are vain." So, and again, that has to do with the flooding of the Nile and things like that. Okay, all the explanation out of the way, that is what I chose to do for the Dog Days of Summer. This is last week. This is what my social media page turned out to be. And then this is the week. I still need to fill in a few things for Saturday, and today is Sunday. So that's last week. So this is my August monthly. We are in the first week of August. So I'm going to go on over to the next page, make sure. And I think I want to tip this in like so. Or put her over here. Let's put her over there. So I'm going to try to make sure that this time I round the right corners. I'm going to go ahead and do the tipping in first. And I'm just going to have 2 extra pages here. But that's fine. I want to put these in. And I can probably come back and fill in the meaning of Dog Days of Summer behind that. Do some journaling behind it, I think. That might be what I end up doing. So this is 1/8 inch double-sided tape. There will be a link in the description box for the tape. Okay, so let's see if I can get this one in here. I've had so many technical difficulties this morning. I'm a little afraid to plan today. So we're going down into the crease. It's already stuck. I hope it's straight because it just jumped down in there. I mean, that's pretty good. Let's do the other one. Maybe I'm gonna put a little piece of washi tape back there to hold that down until I get to it, and maybe that'll help keep it straight. So it won't drive me nuts popping up. And then here is the actual constellation. Okay, then I'm gonna tape this one down too since it wants to roll up. Okay, it's still trying to curl up the whole page. All right, so that is what the vellums look like. Hopefully they will decide to flatten out. So let's get on into the week. So I'm gonna use this washi for the bottom. I think it's nice as far as the colors that are in the stickers. So let's go ahead and put this down. It's a little light and pinky though. I'm going for it. As this book gets thicker and thicker, it's getting a little harder to deal with the washi tape, but it's not so bad yet. So far, I'm okay with it. And then I think I'm gonna use, I don't know, I probably won't get to use this brown. I'm gonna use the purple at the top. Because it's got the blue in it too, exactly like the backgrounds that I used. So if the dog days of summer means something completely different than what you thought, let me know in the comments. And also let me know what you thought it meant or what you thought it was in reference to. I don't know why that movie, A Dog Day Afternoon, always stuck with me. And I don't even know if they mentioned the dog days of summer in the movie. It's been a long time since I've seen it, so I can't remember. But yeah, it really has nothing to do with, I mean, it does and it doesn't. So they didn't have meteorologists back then explaining things, so they kind of associated what was happening in the sky with what was happening on the ground, which really in reality was quite smart. I mean, I'm pretty sure, I don't know that much about meteorology, but I'm pretty sure that they in some ways do a bit of the same. So, and I am just putting down the days of the week. Monday goes here. I was considering doing dailies this week since it's going to be a busy week, but I think for the most part this will just be for highlights and scheduled stuff. I don't need to journal a whole lot on every day because I have my cowboy planner for that. And let's see, 2 3/4. So this is the center here. And also I won't finish the book so quickly, I think. All right, so on this one, I did a little different. I don't have a lot of deco. I just have boxes and some dates. I'm not really crazy about these date dots, but we're gonna roll with it. I wish I had something more foiled to use, but so Monday is the 2nd. Third. So it's the 2nd through the 8th. I never really know until I sit down here and start dating, because I always forget to check. Okay, so we're gonna start with this one on Monday. So I'm busy on the 4th and the 5th. Not sure about anything else yet. So she's on Monday. I don't know if I'm going to use the one with the Nile on it. She's going on Friday because I love her get up. And then I'm going to use the Dog Days of Summer on Wednesday so that we know what prompt this is. So I'm going to use these 2 boxes for, ooh, that's not going to work out. I'm going to use this for what I got to do on Wednesday. If I can get the box to lay down straight. And then, which way is up? Thursday. Let's go ahead and put down some boxes for dinners. I think I want to use this one right here. I hope these are lined up well. I'm trying to line them up as best as I can. I guess I can use her here. And maybe I can squeeze in some of this washi. Let's do it. My columns aren't quite right, so I'm just gonna try and split the difference. Maybe I should start drawing a line so that I can make sure they are straight. Because see how this is bumping into that, which probably shouldn't be happening. Since it is like that, I'm not gonna make it noticeable. So I'm just gonna put the washi up here. Then I'm gonna use some of this brown color. to laundry day, which is kind of floating this lately, but I'm gonna put it down for Tuesday. Plan next week. Use one of the little planner icons. I think I'm supposed to be buying groceries, so I'm gonna put that right there. Just get payday out. I need 2 of them. Oh, and I forgot about these. So this says Canis Major on this little dot. So let's see, I'm gonna put it right here. No, let's put it here. Then this is the actual constellation on this teeny dot. Put it right there. And then this is the Eye of Hoorah. Is that how you say it? I'm gonna put it over here. That adds a little pop of color. For the trash. Our recycling is on Friday. And trash day is on Thursday. So let's see, I think that's pretty much it for the week that I know of. Okay. So the kit is available to patrons. They'll be able to download the kit as well as the vellum pages or the graphic pages, because you don't have to print them on vellum. You can print them on anything you want. This is what we did. We went ahead and tipped in the vellum pages. I will write in behind them later. Hopefully they will relax and lay down. I'm gonna put this clip on here like so, but I don't want to cover up anything. Let's see, maybe like right there. Okay, my pages are starting to curl. But that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.